My Faceless AI YouTube channel recently got monetized, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you everything. I'll share with you how I'm creating these videos. We'll look at some of the numbers, and I'm going to give you some resources so you can replicate this yourself. Okay, so everything I'm talking about, we will link down below. Let's go ahead and put the myths to bed because everyone says you can't do Faceless AI YouTube channels. YouTube will demonetize you, TikTok will demonetize you. They don't. You've just got to follow the guidelines. So let's break it down. So let's start with the proof, okay? So on the screen right here, important notifications, it says, welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. Congrats, you've been accepted into here, okay? Some people might say that's a screenshot. Let's refresh the page. And you can see the numbers up here, 4,600 hours of watch time in the last year. Whilst that's refreshing, here we go, it's coming back on here now. You can see say it's not a screenshot, it's an actual account. Let's go ahead over here and let's have another look at something. So I've put into Google, can you monetize AI YouTube videos? AI says yes, you can do. And it goes over this, it gives you more, research on this. So some people would say, well, that's AI. How, you can't take that serious. So let's go ahead and have a look at what Google says inside of YouTube Help. Can you upload AI generated videos on YouTube? And basically, the guidelines for AI content is the same as if you was doing it faceless, if you was doing it on camera, sorry, like I am doing here. You've got to just stick to the guidelines. What are the guidelines? Well, it's got to be original content. That's a key one. Original content. Follow the policies and also the community guideline tips. And again, you can go through and break it all down, okay? So YouTube and also Google accepts AI channels. Okay, I know this from experience. I've got now 3 different AI YouTube channels, all monetized, and it's a simple process. So let me show you the software I'm using to create these videos, and also let me show you the process, and then I'll share with you how you can get access to this, where we've basically got a full 4-day workshop where we literally take you through this whole process, and every day we show you what to focus on, what you should be doing. We've got a walkthrough video, and we even give you homework and link out to free resources to get the most out of this. Because look, if you are going to do a Faceless AI YouTube channel, you don't want to mess about with it. Do it properly. Make sure your videos are optimized. Make sure you're doing a bit of keyword research. Make sure you're using free resources which can help, boost the channel. And that's all covered in that 4-day workshop, okay? So let's come over here into this over here. Let's come out of there and I'll show you how this looks, okay? So inside of this software, there's a link, again, there's a link to this down below. It's a 7-day free trial. Try it. Just, try it and see what you think. Follow the process I'm going to share with you over here, okay? So inside of it, you've got, on the left-hand side, you've got dashboard, discover ideas. You can clone yourself. We're not going to look at that. We've got a thumbnail generator. There's an editor, a scheduler. So basically, you can connect your social media account to YouTube, connect them all in here, and then it will schedule it out on your platforms for you, okay? You've got my videos and calendar. But let's not complicate this thing. At the top, we click on create a video. We're going to click on faceless video. So the first part of this whole process is we're going to pick a template. Which template do we want for this? So we've got point of view, self, there's loads by the way, and they keep releasing loads of these. You can see loads and loads of different templates down here. So we'll just pick one. Let's go with comic book, okay? So this is the one I tend to use. I tend to use comic book because it's related to the superhero niche. We've also got hyperrealism. I use that a lot. And then I've also been testing out this ancient Egypt one. It's really good as well. So let's come over here. Let's go comic book. Straightforward and simple, we can agree. Come down here. What language? Loads of languages, as you can see. So we'll go with English. Then we've got subtitles. So you see over here on the video, we've got the subtitle. We have got all of these different styles on here. There's loads of styles. So at the minute, I just go with this one over here. And then we have got voices. And the voices are brilliant as well. So you can see down here, you've got male, female, what nationality they are, even their age and other bits. Okay, so pick one. Just if you want to hear any of them, you click on here and you click the play button over here and it'll play the voice for you. Okay, this is the one I use. I use Daniel. It's pretty good. Then, do we want a landscape or a portrait? So, landscape is this size, and this one over here, portrait, is that style. Okay, so we'll go with a landscape. How long do we want the video to be? Do we want it 1 to 3 minutes, 3 to 5, 5 to 10? Let's go with that. And then we scroll down, and recently they've just introduced this character consistency, and it shows you how it works and stuff, okay? But if you wanted to have, a character throughout the video, and it's the same character consistently, then you can use this. Originally, when AI was, coming up with all these videos, you could not get character consistency, but now they've introduced this over here. And then we just scroll. We're nearly done. We are literally nearly done. This is how simple it is. Then we've got video title. So you put in a video title, and then you've got a couple of options. You have got a custom script. You've got AI script assistant, URL to video, or audio to video. So in here, whatever script you put in here, the AI software will create unique images and videos for you. So if you remember earlier on, when it says over here, look, it says original content. Well, guess what? With this software over here, every part of the video is original. It's not using stock footage. It's not using B-roll. It's not using, images from Pexels and Pixabay like InVideo and other platforms. It creates these images fresh for you in here. So you've got options. You can put in a custom script, or you can do the AI script assistant. So with this, you can give it an idea, and it will write a full script out for you, or you can just do custom scripts like this. So you just come on to custom scripts. Whatever you put in here, it will create a video for you. Okay, so for this, I've just come over to ChatGPT, absolutely for free. You can see I've not even logged in or anything. And this is the prompt. I've just said, can you please write a script for a YouTube video about Hulk versus Red Hulk? Please start with a great hook and keep the script fast moving. I would like it to be 3 minutes long. Let's hit on enter. And then what's going to happen is it'll take a second, and you can see, it's just, AI is just nuts in there. So it's giving us the script over here. And all I'm doing here is I literally paste this. I literally just do this like so. I would copy this, and then I would take this over here into the software down. I'll just paste it in here. So let me pause the video and I'll paste it all in, and then I'll be back. Okay, so the script is all in here, and then next we just click on generate video. And that is the process. Literally, the video will now start being created for us using unique images, original content, and it will obviously have the voiceover. It has music in there if you want to put that option in. It will have quick edits and other bits. Once you've clicked on generate video over there, then it comes up with this over here. Choose your next video topic. So it'll give you ideas and suggestions for videos related to the one that you've just put in there. Absolutely awesome. Or you can just click on start with a blank canvas. So again, I'll pause the video and I'll come back once that is done, and it literally takes a couple of minutes, and then I'll show you the actual video. Okay, it's done. Let's have a little look together. Let's check the volume. We are good to go. So this is the video. I've not edited or done anything. You'll see it as it is, and don't worry, I'm not going to play the whole thing for you. Let's just have a look at the beginning, and then we'll look at how you can edit images. Okay, so we'll click on play. Let's have a listen.
In the realm of Marvel Comics, few battles spark excitement among fans.
So, as you can see, it sounds absolutely awesome. The images are really good. Let's just scroll it along. So we can see like that one there. We'll change that. Red Hulk, Green Hulk, etc. Let's go along a little bit further.
The Hulk's unlimited strength and potential cunning could turn any encounter.
Okay, so you can go through and have a look at it. But as you can see, it looks absolutely brilliant. But here's the thing. Let's say you didn't like some of the images. You click on here, edit images. And this part of it is, again, it's free. So on here, once you click on edit images, it will bring up the scene for each one for you. So for example, here, I don't particularly like that image there. So I'm going to click on edit image, okay? And you cannot just edit the image. You can even add motion to it as well, which is pretty cool. So you can see along here, we've got add motion. You can upload your own, which I don't bother with. Image regeneration, okay? So you can see here, look, 0 of 3 free image regenerations. Then it's 1 credit after this, right? So I don't like this one because this Red Hulk over here has got no hair. The other ones in the video did. So I'm going to click on generate. And it's basically using this prompt over here. So whatever prompt is in there, it will generate the image for you. And if you don't like that prompt in there, you can just ask ChatGPT to give you a new prompt. And then what will happen is, as you can see down here, let's have a look at this one. So it's created it. Look, it's changed it to that one with hair. So yeah, that's ideal. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on save. And that's it done. Okay? Absolutely awesome. And you can go through your whole video and check it if you want to. Okay? So let me click on save video. So now it's going to do that. Okay? And this is the whole process of how we've been able to generate these AI videos for YouTube. And it's not just, superheroes. We've got an AI channel which is focused purely on affiliate marketing, which believe it or not, we're earning commissions with affiliate marketing from these little videos over here doing grounding maps, believe it or not. So yeah, look, that is the process. And as I said to you at the beginning of the video, if you want to get the most from this piece of software, go ahead and join the 4-day free, and it is absolutely free. I'll show you this as well, okay? So not that one, sorry. Let's come over here. This over here, it's a 4-day free step-by-step guide, basically. You can see it's, look, building a faceless YouTube channel. So I'll put the link below, name and email in it, and then every day I will send you an email with a link over to the website, and on there it will be day 1, day 2, etc. By day 5, you'll have your own faceless AI YouTube channel up and running. And on every single day, we tell you what we're going to focus on. So you can see here, look, day 3, we're looking at creating engaging titles, descriptions, including keywords and hashtags, and then we'll look at thumbnails. I also have a video in here for you, walk you through this whole process, and then we even give you homework, and we link out to free resources as well. And it's absolutely free. So again, I'll link that down below. But look, that is the process of how we are literally creating these faceless AI videos. And in terms of this, you know, running it, what I do is on a Monday, I spend probably about 45 minutes scheduling videos for the whole week. So on a Monday, do that, schedule the videos, and then that's it done until the following week. And it's just running on autopilot now. So look, any questions, please let me know. Take care, and I'll see you soon.